To add your Monzo card to Google Wallet, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Google Wallet and that you have the latest version of the Google Wallet app installed. You will also need to have a Monzo account and a compatible Monzo card. First, open the Google Wallet app on your device and sign in to your Google account if prompted. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to start the process of adding a new payment method. Select the option to add a credit or debit card and then choose the type of card you want to add. In this case, a debit card. Enter your Monzo card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can choose to allow Google Wallet to access your device's camera to scan your card for these details. Once you have entered your card details, review them carefully to ensure they are correct. Next, you will be prompted to verify your card with Monzo. This is a security step to ensure that you are the owner of the card. You may receive a notification on your Monzo app to confirm that you are trying to add your card to Google Wallet. Follow the instructions provided by Monzo to complete the verification process. After verifying your card, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using Google Wallet. Read through these carefully and select the option to agree if you are happy to proceed. Your Monzo card will now be added to Google Wallet and you can start using it to make contactless payments. To make a payment using your Monzo card in Google Wallet, simply wake your device and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. You may be prompted to authenticate the payment using your device's screen lock, such as a fingerprint or password. It is essential to keep your device and Google Wallet app up to date to ensure the security of your payments. Additionally, always keep your Monzo card and device secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps, you can easily add your Monzo card to Google Wallet and start making convenient and secure contactless payments.